So join me, I'm going on a little walking tour of Allsun Malia Beach here in Malia. So let's go check the place out. So what a beautiful view from the back of the hotel here, straight onto the beach. Absolutely stunning. So let's have a little walk through and check the place out. So we've got the all-inclusive bar here. We've got the beer tap on the front side, so guests can just pour their own drinks, coffees, and pop, which is quite handy. Loads and loads of shade here going on with these big parasols that they've got, which is really nice. Got quite a lot of parasols here around the pool as well. A little kids area in the pool. Got quite a nice little breeze going on, so it's quite chilled. Someone's nodding off there. And a bubbly thing over there. That's pretty cool, isn't it? The gate is just set back there. And we've got the bar, sorry, the restaurant here, the outdoor area. Overlooking the pool. It's very nice. And let's have a quick look inside. Morning! Morning!
Morning.
Afternoon, should I say? A quick look inside.
Hello.
My video. Thank you. And obviously, the indoor area. I'll get this out for the lunch later. So we've got a nice shady bit there with some big parasols and nice and cool here. Nice chill out area. Time of filming this, we are in the first week of July 2025. So you can see how the accommodation is just angled, so it should give you a nice sea view. It's quite nice, lots of shade going on. The back of the restaurant here. I was in Mallorca a couple of days ago at one of their hotels there as well. Allsun. So you've got to check that out on my Mallorca playlist. You can do. Very nice. We've got indoor snack area here as well. Select some salads and fast food, ice creams and drinks. Have that in the shade here. We can overlook the pool and get that sea breeze going on. There we go. So I'll conclude the video there. If you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. Show the channel a bit of love. Give me a thumbs up. And I will catch you on the next one. And thank you for watching.